Recently, through multiple trials, I have greatly improved the brain MRI volumetric measurement method, making the approach used in this video much superior to the old methods displayed in my earlier videos. A key criterion for evaluating whether a measurement method is superior is the repeatability of its measurement results. There is a Simon dataset that contains dozens of brain MRIs from a single subject acquired on the same scanner as well as on different scanners, making it very suitable for validating the robustness of brain MRI segmentation methods. Let me first briefly introduce my approach. I initially used 4 fully automated brain segmentation tools: SBM, CAT12 with optimized parameters, AssemblyNet, Vol2 Brain, and Deep Series, to obtain brain segmentation labels, and then manually edit these labels in 3D Slicer. Using my old method, I have already measured the brain volumes of all 72 valid brain MRIs in the Simon dataset and demonstrated that my old method is more consistent than AssemblyNet, which has the most consistent results among the fully automated brain segmentation tools. The new method used in this video further improves the thresholding of SBM, CAT12 outputs, and the selection of labels from VolBrain, achieving results that are even more consistent than those obtained with my old method. Using the new method, I measured the 3 scans in the Simon dataset that showed the greatest inconsistency in measurement results. As you can see, my new method achieved the most consistent whole brain and cortical volumes, making it highly suitable for large-scale population statistics of brain MRI volumetrics. Aside from statistical robustness, the brain segmentation produced by my new method is also visually much more refined and precise than that of those fully automated tools such as AssemblyNet. My first video showed a scan taken when I was 19 years old. Recently, I underwent another scan to see whether my brain structure has changed with age. Some have reported that COVID-19 can cause brain volume to decrease. Yet, compared with my scan from 5 years ago, there is absolutely no change in either my whole brain volume or cortical volume. The small differences you see are entirely due to measurement error. If you have your own anatomical brain MRI and want to obtain the best brain volumetric results in the world, it can be done. I only charge $30 per case. Feel free to ask me for more details. Recently, I have started reanalyzing more than 200 healthy young adults collected from multiple open neuroimaging datasets using my new method. These datasets include demographic information such as body size and ethnicity. So you only need to pay the price of a meal. You will not only receive your brain volumetric results, but also learn where your brain size and encephalization quotient rank within the entire human population.